In the last lesson, we played Ode to Joy together. Now, let's play another tune, Simple Gifts. It uses the G major scale again. Let's review it, but only up to the D natural on the G string. We'll play it quarter notes, slurring 2 notes to a bar with a beautiful legato sound. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now that covers the notes that we'll need for this song. Let's talk about a few shifts that are in the song that are important to note. In bar 3, notice that we're going to shift from first position, where we're playing a 4th finger B natural, to third position, where we'll play a 1st finger C natural. In bar 12, we'll do the same thing, shifting from a 4th finger B natural to a 1st finger C natural. Notice again, on the long D natural after that we'll start in third position after a rest. After that, there are a couple places where you'll have to shift from first up a half step to have your 2nd finger on B natural. We'll play this from the beginning together, and I'll count us in. Let's use a beautiful legato bow stroke, trying to connect all of the notes. Notice that we start with a pickup note. So I'll give us 6 free beats, and we'll start on 3 rather than starting on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Great. Now we've played Ode to Joy and Simple Gifts together, using a G major 2-octave scale.